Tired of it, aren't you? Empty promises. Gurus selling dreams in $1,000 packages. They show you the rented car, the fake watch, but never the real system. The truth? There's no shortcut, but there is a map. If this frustration resonates with you, like and subscribe, because the map I'm about to show you could change the game. The only real way to make money online isn't chasing the next magic opportunity. It's building something of value. I'm not selling you anything. I'm giving you for free the single system you need to understand. I call it the digital value loop. It's a three-step process behind every successful online business, from $50 freelancers to $50 million software companies. Stick with me, and you'll never look at online money the same way. It all starts here. The first and most crucial step is creating value. This means having a skill that solves a specific problem for a specific group of people. Ignore the noise about dropshipping, SMMA, trading. All that is secondary. The fundamental question is, what can you do that others don't know how to do or don't have the time to do? Maybe you're good with words, that's copywriting. Companies pay handsomely for emails that sell and ads that convert. Maybe you have an eye for design. That's UI UX design for apps or brand design for startups. Maybe you know how to edit short videos like TikToks and Reels. Thousands of content creators desperately need this. The beauty of this? You don't need to be the best in the world. You just need to be good enough to solve someone's problem. And you don't need a degree. You need a portfolio. Use YouTube, Skillshare, Coursera. Learn a high-demand skill for 100 hours. Create 3 sample projects for yourself. Done, you've just created value from nothing. That's the foundation of your empire. Many get stuck here thinking their skill isn't special enough. This is a mental trap. Seemingly boring skills are gold mines. Are you amazing at organizing spreadsheets? Small business owners hate this and would pay to have their financial data organized. Are you savvy with SEO for blogs? Any company with a website needs you. Don't underestimate the value of competence and organization. What's easy for you is incredibly difficult for many others. Value isn't about being unique, it's about being useful. Having a skill is useless if nobody can buy it. The second step is packaging your value. This means transforming your skill into a clear and sellable product or service. There are 3 main levels of packaging. Level 1 is the simplest, the service. You sell your time and skill. You create a profile on Upwork, Fiverr, or connect with people on LinkedIn. You're not selling video editing, you're selling viral reels that boost engagement. You're not selling writing, you're selling landing pages that convert clicks into customers. It's direct, honest, and the fastest way to get your first dollars online. A step up in level 1 is the productized service. Instead of selling your hour, you sell a package with a fixed scope and price. For example, LinkedIn profile analysis and optimization for $300 delivered in 3 days. Or complete newsletter setup with 3 welcome emails for $500. This eliminates negotiation, positions you as an expert, and makes your offer much easier to buy. The client knows exactly what they're getting, and you know exactly what you're delivering. Level. Choice is where leverage begins, the digital product. After providing the same service 20 times, you notice the patterns. You transform your process into a guide, a template, a spreadsheet, a mini course. You package your knowledge. A designer can sell a Figma template pack for $49. A copywriter can sell a guide of 50 email subject lines that generate opens for $29. You build once and sell forever. Platforms like Gumroad make this incredibly easy. The common mistake here is creating the product you think people want. The smart approach is to create the product your audience asks for. By sharing your journey and skills as We'll see in step 3, people will start asking you questions. How did you do that? Do you have a template for that? These questions are free market research. Write them all down. When 10 different people ask you for the same template, you don't think you have a product. You know you have one. Create for existing demand, not for a demand you hope to create. Level 3 is the holy grail, the system. This is when you transform your process into software or an agency. Instead of selling design templates, you create a software tool, SaaS, that helps people create their own designs. Instead of editing videos one by one, you create an agency with other editors that follows your process. This level requires more, but the scaling potential is infinite. You've created value, you've packaged it. Now, the final step. Selling. Value. And the way we do this today is completely different from the past. You don't need an expensive website or complex ads. You need one thing: attention. The most effective strategy in 2025 is what they call build in public. Choose a platform, X, formerly Twitter, or LinkedIn are perfect for this, and start sharing your journey from step 1. Don't talk about what you will do. Talk about what you are doing. A powerful mental model to apply here is learn, do, teach. The moment you learn a new concept, learn, apply it immediately to a small project, do. Then, on the same day, write a post or a short video explaining what you learned and how you applied it, teach. This cycle accelerates your own learning, creates a real-time project portfolio, and builds your authority simultaneously. You become the source of information for those who are just 2 steps behind you on the journey. Learning to write, share copywriting tips you discovered, analyze a large company's website and show how you would improve it. Learning to edit videos, post before and afters of your work. You're not selling, you're publicly demonstrating your competence. People don't buy from strangers. They buy from people they know, like, and trust. By sharing your journey and knowledge, you're building trust. At scale, opportunities will start coming to you. People will call you for projects. They'll ask if you have a guide or template to sell. You don't need to sell. You just need to become the person they turn to for a specific problem. And that's it. That's the system, the digital value loop. Create value. Acquire a skill that solves a pain point. Package value. Transform that skill into a service or product. Sell value. Demonstrate your competence publicly to attract clients. The most powerful thing is that it's self-reinforcing. The more you sell, step 3, the more you understand market problems, allowing you to create even better value. Step 4, the better your value, the better the products you can package. Step 2. It's a cycle of infinite growth. Remember, the ultimate goal isn't just to scale a business, it's to scale your reputation. Your reputation is the most valuable asset you can build. It's what allows you to charge more, attract the best clients, and access opportunities that money alone can't buy. Every post, every service delivered, every product sold is a brick in the construction of your reputation. Build with integrity, and your empire will be rock solid. So forget the secrets and magic formulas. The opportunity isn't out there to be found. It's in there to be built. Choose your skill. Start building your value, brick by brick, in public. This is the no-nonsense guide. This is the real path. Now I want to hear from you. What skill will you develop? What's the first step in your loop? Leave your plan in the comments below. Let's build together. And if this guide brought you any value, consider subscribing to the channel so you don't miss the next video. Until then,